This one-pan chicken dinner produces a delicious, rich, thick, sticky honey garlic glaze. I'm Tess, and come join me and I'll show you how I make my honey garlic chicken. This honey garlic chicken dinner is easy to make and delicious. I have 6 bone-in chicken thighs that I cleaned, trimmed, sponged dry with a paper towel, and now I'm seasoning both sides with some adobo seasoning. You can just use some salt and black pepper or season with whatever you like. I like using bone-in chicken thighs because they never disappoint. They cook evenly and they are juicy and tender. I have my skillet on medium-high and I'm adding in some olive oil. I have an electric stove and my heat is between a 7 and 8. I want to produce a nice sear on the skin. I'm placing the chicken thighs skin down and letting them cook for about 6 to 8 minutes without moving. You will see the skin starting to brown around the bottom edges. Keep an eye on it and then give them a flip. The chicken should release from the pan easily and the skin should be golden and crispy. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. I'm turning down my heat to a medium or between a 5 and 6 on my electric stove and letting the underside of the chicken cook for about 5 minutes so it gets a nice golden crust. I'm now covering and letting the chicken cook for another 5 minutes. Just keep an eye on the heat. Every stove is different and you want the chicken to simmer and not burn. After 5 minutes, I'm giving the chicken a flip skin side down, covering and cooking for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm giving the chicken one final turn with the skin side up, covering and cooking for 5 to 10 more minutes or until done. Internal temp of the chicken should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit to be safe. I'm piling the chicken to the side because now I want to make that delicious honey garlic sauce. I still have my heat on medium. This is the amount of chicken fat that I had left in the pan, which is about 1/4 cup. Depending on the amount of fat your chicken produces, you may need to drain some fat or add some fat like butter or oil. I have a good heaping tablespoon of minced garlic and giving that a stir for about 15 to 20 seconds. Now I'm adding in some chicken broth, and that's going to help deglaze the pan. A little rice vinegar, or you can use apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, and the other star of the show, honey. Giving that a good stir and also scraping up all those tidbits on the bottom. I'm rearranging the chicken and turning up my heat to bring this up to a simmer. Going to let the sauce reduce to about half, and this is going to take about 3 to 4 minutes. While simmering, I'm spooning the sauce over the chicken so the chicken can soak up all those delicious flavors. And it's ready to eat. I'm serving tonight with some jasmine rice and asparagus. The sauce is surprisingly good and not overly sweet. It is rich and full of flavor with a nice taste of garlic. Since the sauce is rich, a little goes a long way. I'm spooning a little on each chicken thigh and garnishing with some chopped green onions and sesame seeds. This one-pot honey garlic chicken dinner is easy and great for those busy weekday nights. It's also easy on the budget. I hope you give this honey garlic chicken dinner a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!